Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by verifying the board supports layers and you know where the FN or layer key sits. Locate the top row keys 1 through 0 and note any alternate legends for numpad functions. Install QMK Toolbox or Wire if you plan to remap. These tools let you make changes persistent. Once done, plug the keyboard into your computer and open the configurator so you can test keys in real time, because immediate feedback prevents mistakes and saves time. Once you can access the layer, practice holding FN to confirm which alphas become digits. Press the cluster that maps to numpad, typically 7/8/9, 4/5/6, 1/2/3, and 0/. Use it for quick numeric entry. If you need sustained numbers, change the layer key from momentary to toggle in your configurator so it latches on. Make sure to test arithmetic operations and num-related shortcuts while the layer. To finish, flash your firmware or export the VIA profile so your layout persists across systems. Practice typing common numeric sequences until they feel natural, and consider creating macros for repetitive entries like dates or account numbers. If something goes wrong, first confirm the layer key actually switches functions, then reflash firmware and verify the configurator shows the correct mapping. Also check OS settings so nothing intercepts numpad input. This single troubleshooting step fixes most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.